What is up, fam? Welcome back to another daily cryptocurrency video, and in this video we're going to be having a look at ADA Cardano, currently exploding 73 cents, up to 73 cents right now, up 8% in the last 24 hours. You guys can see right here in the last 24 hours, the whole crypto bubble has been absolutely exploding. And for those of you guys who don't know, we saw a massive Bitcoin ETF inflow of $1.175 billion, making it the highest since November 7, 2024. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys a chart that could potentially send Cardano to the moon. So if you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. So having a look right here, the whole crypto bubble, we know that we are green in the last day. In the last week, we have absolutely been making some crazy gains. In the last month, things are a little bit shaky. So in the last 30 days, we are a little bit in and out. Ethereum is up 6.2%. SEE is making a massive pump up 63%. Bonk is absolutely going crazy right now. We're going to be having a look at the Bitcoin dominance. Is this an altcoin season yet? I know a lot of people think that this is an altcoin season. In my opinion, this is just an altcoin rally. I don't think this is an altcoin season, but let's dive in. Before we have a look at the rest, let's have a look at ADA Cardano. Ever since we broke out of here on Thursday, July 10th, so just yesterday, depending on where you are around the world, we saw a massive pump, and we always trended above the EMA ribbons right here. We saw a nice little rebound right here. We saw a rebound right here, and we saw a rebound right here. That's that on the 15-minute time frame. It looks like we're most likely going to get a rebound right here before continuing to the upside, or perhaps a consolidation. If we have a look right here at Cardano on the daily time frame, yes, we did break this trend line on Cardano, which is fantastic, very, very bullish. So if you guys took this long right here, that's amazing. Not only did we close above the EMA ribbons, but we know that every time we are above it, we're usually super bullish, and when we're below it, we're bearish. You guys can see when we're below it, we're trending on to the downside. When we're above it, we're trending to the upside. I know a lot of people might say, oh, but those were overbought. Can this be a good short opportunity? It does not always mean that it is a good short opportunity when you are overbought. So make sure that you don't short. You guys need to wait for Cardano to print something else. You guys can see right here that I bet you a lot of people shorted right here, and guess what happened? The price kept on continuing, and the thing stayed still. Hence why I would not short. These indicators are not good when you are in a full-on bull market or when things are pumping, especially when you're seeing a $1.1 billion ETF inflow in the last 24 hours. Now having a look at the Bitcoin dominance, guys, is this really altcoin season, or is this just an altcoin rally? Well, if we have a look right here on the monthly time frame, actually I want to have a look at here on the weekly time frame. We know that every time we see a Bitcoin or altcoin season, we usually get near the 72 region right here. We saw 72 right here, 72 region right here. We saw an altcoin season right here, and we saw an altcoin season right here. Everything you're seeing in orange is an altcoin season, and pretty much that's about it. Now, in order for us to see an altcoin season, in my opinion, we're going to need to see the Bitcoin dominance to reach 72%. And until interest rate get lowered, I don't see an altcoin season happening. Yes, this could be an altcoin rally. We saw an altcoin rally happening right here. That was back in November, December. You remember, guys, November, December, ETF inflow, massive inflow. We saw a massive altcoin rally happening right here. And pretty much we came back, retested these EMA ribbons before popping to the upside. Now, like I said, every time we are above the EMA ribbons, we're trending to the upside. And you guys can see on the weekly time frame, since 2022, the Bitcoin dominance has been trending to the upside, rarely breaking below it. We saw a nice little fake out right here, and I actually thought that this was going to be the beginning of the altcoin season, but guess what? Following the week after, this thing exploded to the upside, altcoins started to bleed. Now, having a look right here, what we want to look on the Bitcoin dominance is not this. On the altcoin season is not this. So in order for Cardano to go up, we need to see an altcoin year. Now, we have not seen an altcoin year since 2021, 2022. End of 2021, beginning of 2022, that was the last time we saw an altcoin season. We all know what happened during that time. There was a Terra Luna crisis, the Terra Luna crash. We saw the FTX happening. There was the Celsius crash, the FUD, everything. It was just a whole disaster. And you guys can see right here that we're just currently right now in Bitcoin year. It's clearly Bitcoin season. And if we go back to this chart right here, and if we go back to the altcoin dominance or the altcoin season index, we know that right here was back in December was an altcoin rally. So in my opinion, we're most likely going to see an altcoin rally. I don't think it's an altcoin season yet. I think the altcoin season will happen in December. By the way, if you guys are interested in joining my Signal channel, you guys can see that people are absolutely printing. All that is because of UDOs. I started small, 475 USDT and later 1 ETH. Okay, so people are absolutely printing in my channel. It's very, very simple. All you have to do is click on the Discord, join the Discord in the link in the description below, get to the VIP access. It's completely free, guys. Get to the VIP access and pretty much follow these steps. Okay, it's very, very easy to do. It takes 1 to 2 minutes to set up. All you need to do is click on this link to sign up with BYDFi right here. And if you deposit $150 or more in order for you to start trading, you could essentially put your UID right here, and then they will essentially get access to the scalp signal, swing signal, market analysis, and VIP chat. So that is my video. Very, very simple, very, very easy to do. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button.